everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to demo for those three pair of earrings. They are unique, a little different. If you see the first pair with a thread chain, and second pair the beads and a little bit note, and the third pair just directly connect to the earring hooks. Those are the material I will use for this project: the glue, beads, earring hook, and the tool. This is the tools I will use to make the earrings. This is the tools we'll use, and let's move the tools away and clean up so we can start it. This is the chain. I cut two pieces from the chain and just a little bit tiny to make a small dangle earrings. If you want to make a longer or dangling earrings, you can get a more note beads cut from the chain. Like what we made earring before, we put the head pin through the beads and bend to 90 degrees and curve, uh, make a little bit, not whole circle, half circle, but don't close it because we will need to go the note cut from the bean to go from the chain, from the chain to connect to the beads and then attach to the earring hooks. And then don't forget to close the earring hook when you open it. So let me show you again. This is what I did. So that's a one pair earring is done, and the second pair earring, use a head pin to go through the beads. If you see there's a little bit of tiny bead, I put it on the top of the beads. We'll do the same way. And sometimes it is the wear is a little too short. It's so hard to use your hands to wrap around. I use the tools. I use a wire cutter, cut the addition extra wire. And also don't forget to pinch the wire when you cut a little bit inside, and also straight the hook. Open the earring hooks and slide in the beads and close up. This is the second pair earrings. Let's work on the third pair earrings. Use toothpick, dip some glue, brush the chain and wrap around more glues and put the chain into the beads. Definitely the beads and the chain should be close to match, and just ensure the chain attached inside of the beads. Let's sit a little while and work on the second pair. Same way, use a toothpick and dip some glue and brush the end of the chain, and then put the end of the chain into the bead through the hole. So just need more glue. I'll put more glue on there. And this should work. Yeah, let's stay. And let's sit on the side way too. Again, you see this a piece of connector, and there is a little tube in, and then at another side of the tube is a little circle, a hook. So put in the tube. And we can use a different tool or different type of pliers. And this tool just normally for the pinch. It's so tiny. I don't want to lift up. Then I just can let's sit on there and pinch it. And basically, kind of squeeze the wire, make the wire and the connector attach it together. You can see closely. Yeah, I try to pull, see if it's stable. Now it's fine. I try to pull out. It did not come out. That should be good. Then now we just so familiar to this step. We open a earring hook loop and then put this little circle inside the earring hook, and also I have a necklace to match these earrings, and the necklace beads can match any of the beads made of earrings. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget give me a thumb up, like, and thank you for watching.